हांव स्पेसिफीक विचारता, हाजे पयलीं तुमी कोणाक इंट्रस्ट पे केला? एक. सेकंड, हेज कॅबिनेट पावर्स टू बायपास द एक्ट? आनी कांयच विचारना हांव.
Speaker sir, Speaker sir, as far as Honorable Leader of Opposition is concerned, he has himself answered the question, but then there is the cabinet has the powers. I do agree that this needed some sort of rectification.
No, you are putting on record.
I am putting on record is that the cabinet.
You are saying the cabinet has powers. Cabinet has no powers to bypass the act. Act has to come to the assembly.
No,
we have to do amendment in the assembly.
No, let me. Speaker sir, जाय ते आमी उलोवंक शकता ह्या गोष्टीचेर, पूण एक हा की in interest of the state of Goa, this 38 lakh square meters that was allotted at that point of time had to be brought back. And in order to put it to proper utilization, a midway was taken, and of which the affidavit was filed by the government of Goa after taking whatever decisions in interest of IDC, in interest of the state of Goa, and also as Goa is a small state, and in terms of the shortage of land that is there, this land, it was a midway part taken by the government to resolve this issue which was long pending. Is that as far as the act is concerned, there may be no provision in the act. But this is directly under the government. The cabinet has the powers, and cabinet has in many cases made such exemptions, but he may be specific that this act is passed by the assembly. What you are trying to tell, honorable member is saying, act is passed by the assembly, so cabinet doesn't have it unless there is ordinance and modification made in the act. Fine, but then exceptions also can be made in order to resolve, as there is a vacuum. Cabinet had to step in because the Supreme Court hearing was due, as a result of which the cabinet took a decision in the interest of the state of Goa. And I think the decision that was taken was good decision, which will help us utilize the land today which is available with IDC.